Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this slumber party look in DTI. Get ready to bring the cutest PJs to the runway. In this tutorial, we are serving major slumber party vibes. So if you want to know how I can create this look, let me show you how. So as for the hair, I only use this updo hair and you can choose the color that you prefer. And in here I'm going to go to the fitting room and put on these eyelashes. And for the look, I'm going to grab this pants first, change the color into the patterns that you like, but for me I'm going to use this patterns in here. And I'm going to grab the sleeping mask, toggle it into on head. First color white and second one light blue like this. I'm going to grab the accessory first, this earrings and also the necklace. And now for the top, I'm going to just use this tank top in here, this one, and I'm going to make it, I think let's just go with default, change the color into blue. And for the last item here, you can use slippers from here, or you can also use the bunny slippers from the code items like I do here. This one. And your slumber party look is done. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.